Hi, welcome to Tool Specs. So today I'm taking some air out of my winter tire, and this is the reason why. We are going to review the DeWALT 20 volt air inflator, part number DCC020I. This DeWALT air inflator have a high pressure side which pump air to 160 psi. They also have an inflator, deflator, high volume side, which is an inflator on one side, and then the other port is your deflator. It also have a LED light built in into the handle so that you can see if you're stuck on the side of the road trying to put air on your tire. This inflator have three power source. So the first source, of course, like any power tool from DeWALT, is you can use the battery. The second power source is hiding in this compartment here, and this is actually a cigarette lighter or auxiliary port car adapter, which will plug in into this here. Now they're also selling, which is not included with it, the 110 volt adapter, which is also going to use the same connection here, but you can actually use it in your house. Now those power option will not charge your battery that's in the tool. Now if you want to use the LED light, you have to power up the unit here, and you just press the light button, and now we have our LED light on. It's not super bright, but bright enough to see what you're up to. Okay, now here this button is for high pressure or high volume. So now we're on, as soon as you open the tool, you're always on high pressure. Now if you want high volume, this is the sign that you're going to see. Now this is the side that it's connecting to. The high volume side have two sides. You'll have your side here to pump the air out of the tube, and you just connect it with a quarter turn here. There's two pins inside. I don't know if you can see this on camera. Now we're connecting. Now we can pump air into a tube or something, and then if you want to do the power deflator, you will use the other side. One thing to keep in mind when you're putting a high flow pressure tube on, it is counterclockwise to actually hook it up, and clockwise to remove it. The high volume side comes with the adapter here to fill up your tube or something like that, and then if you take this off, if you're blowing up some tube for boating or anything like this, you can blow them up faster. Usually they have the big port. It comes with usually 3 adapters. Now we're missing the one here, and then you'll have an adapter here for balls or tubes, and then you'll have your pin adapter. Now this hose is 20-inch in length, and for tires you just screw into your stem valve here. This air inflator is fairly quiet, running at only 92 decibel. There's some feet, rubber feet all around the tool there, so it doesn't matter how you're putting it down, it's always going to be on the feet, on the rubber feet, to protect it from vibration. Now of course, if you're using a bigger battery, you might not be able to put it upright, but you can always lie it down on the side. Now let's see how long it will take to inflate this tube. So first we power it on, and we go for tube, and then we press start. So pretty much 2 minutes and 30. This is my truck tire. This is a 265/70 17 for a Dodge Ram, a 17-inch rim. We're gonna switch this over and fill up this tire. I completely drained it before. This is why we're seeing 0 here. If we had any reading, it would show on the screen. Now you want to turn this dial here for how much air pressure you want. Now we're going to put 35 pounds in here. This tool here needs to run for a maximum of 10 minutes, and then you're supposed to let it sit for 20 minutes to cool down the motor so you don't break it. Okay, so we're going to fire this up. So 35.2 pounds at 9 minutes 38. So here you have it. Doesn't matter if it's blowing up a tube to go have fun in the water or blowing a tire because you're stuck on the side of the road, but the DeWALT power inflator is going to get you out of a jam. If you like this review video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.